Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today we will discuss about the example of reverse breakdown voltage. In the last video I explained what is the reverse breakdown voltage, so you can see that if you didn't see that. And in this video we will see the example of reverse voltage. So as per definition, the breakdown voltage of an semiconductor is the minimum voltage that causes semiconductor electrically conductive in reverse direction. For diode, the breakdown voltage is the minimum reverse voltage that makes the diode conduct in reverse direction. So you can see here, this is half wave rectifier and this is cycle at the input. So for the first cycle, in the first cycle, for this time period, here will be positive cycle. For half cycle, this point will be this cycle positive and this will be negative. So it will pass through the diode. For positive half cycle, this diode will be in forward direction. So all voltage will be appear here on the load. This is load RL and this is output. So what will be the output? Output will be less than 0.7 volt of the input here. So in the forward condition, it will be in the forward bias. Now talk about the negative cycle. When negative cycle will come, so this point will be positive and this point will be negative. So what will happen here? Positive cycle will appear here and it will run through here like this on this path. But here what will happen? Here the diode will be in the reverse bias. So what is the point here? Diode will not pass this negative cycle because it will be reverse bias in this condition. So the main thing is here, what is the rating of this diode for reverse voltage? If the rating of this reverse voltage, diode reverse voltage, is less than the half cycle 100 volt, then it will be damage. It may damage. So it will be damage, it may short or it may open and circuit will be damaged. So what we do, the reverse voltage rating of this diode should be more than twice or thrice of this negative cycle. Especially mostly it is kept twice of the half cycle. So in this condition, this is the example best. This is the best example of the reverse voltage. This also apply in the forward. Sorry, this also apply in the full wave rectifier. So hope you got the reverse voltage. What is the reverse voltage? So this is the reverse voltage and this is the best example of reverse voltage. It is asked also interview that what should be the reverse voltage rating of this diode, yeah, all rectifier diode. So you can say the answer, if the half cycle is 100 volts, then the reverse voltage rating of the rectifier diode should be twice of the negative half cycle voltage rating. So hope you got this point, and if you got something from this video, please like and subscribe my video and wait for another video. Jai Hind.